The first glance of the region bruised black and blue by Hurricane Ida.
A tree hanging over the front of my car, dented into the left corner of it.
Ken Kitchell woke up to this.
First words out of your mouth when you see this?
Thank God it's a rental and not my Mercedes. Those are the first words out of my mouth.
Fallen trees lined the road. In Jackson Square, this massive southern magnolia fell. High winds peeled off this roof in the French Quarter. There was no stopping Hurricane Ida. Power poles are down, lines are in disarray.
At least provide some peace of mind for people.
The power is still out, and so are people.
Gotta breathe.
It's too hot to stay inside. The one store with a generator has a line out the door. Gas, food, and power are in very limited supply.
I think I could just leave the car running and the phone charging because I don't think anybody's gonna steal the car.
Tragedy.
Stephanie's car isn't going anywhere either.
I never thought.
Thankfully, she and her young son were not inside. But they easily could have been.
That was my baby right there. That was my car.
A day in and people are at their limit. Speaking of limits, floodwaters continue to rise in La Place and places like Reserve.
It was pretty bad. It was traumatic last night. You know, you just didn't know. It seemed like it just got worse and worse.
The Hemos bought these kayaks a few years ago for their kids for recreation. We are still very much in rescue and not yet recovered. Ida has moved on, leaving communities here hanging by a thread.
And we are out here live. You know, we did not have to go searching for any of that damage. It was right in front of us and everywhere we went. Now, right now, over my shoulder, you're looking at some of the worst damage here in downtown New Orleans. This is on South Rampart Street. On this block alone, there are 3 buildings that sustained very serious damage. And again, from those very high sustained winds. The good news is nobody was inside and nobody was hurt. Chris, back to you.
Now, Joe, but it's still no telling when they're going to get power back there. Stay safe. Thank you for bringing us that perspective.